Hey everyone, I'm Joan and today we're building a Graaff Generator from scratch with materials that you probably have at home. So here's everything we'll need. We'll need a PVC pipe, some scissors, a hot glue gun, a small DC motor, some vinyl electrical tape, nylon fishing rod, rubber bands, a soda can, copper wire, a metal nail, a drill, a marker and a pen. So from the pen we'll use the inner ink tube as well as the outer tube. First off, we need to mark the PVC pipe to know where the holes will go. Then, when drilling the holes, we need to be really careful of making them straight so that the rubber band can rotate correctly. Then we need to cut the pen tube according to the diameter of the pipe, a little smaller. This will be the upper rotor that will rotate on the metal axle. And we need to wrap it around with a nylon thread as many times as necessary to create a thick layer. We can use super glue to make it stick. After cutting the ink tube according to the diameter as well, we need to wrap it with the vinyl tape. And then stick it in the motor to create the lower axle. Now this is the part where we start assembling everything together. You just follow my steps and you can use the help of tweezers if needed. For the motor, we can use a rubber band to secure it in place. Now we need to peel the copper cables to create the brushes and then place them correctly. You need to shape two small pieces of copper wire into fine bristles and position them as close as possible to each roller, but without touching it. The lower one will be connected to the ground and the upper one to the can. I use the help of hot glue to help them stay in place. Here I'm drilling another hole in the can so that I can connect the upper wire firmly. And again, to secure it, I just glue it in place. Now we can use the marker and the help of hot glue to hold everything together. I forgot to mention that we need a base for the generator. Here I'm using a CD case that I had. Now this will hold everything perfectly. So basically now we have finished it, but when I tested it, it didn't work. So what I did was I changed the can to a smaller one and tried again. Luckily this time it did work, as you will see in the following tests. And here's how it works. The nylon roller sits at the top and the vinyl wrapped roller at the bottom. These two materials sit far apart on the triboelectric series. Nylon strongly attracts electrons while vinyl strongly repels them, so as the rubber band belt runs between them, the bottom roller strips electrons of the belt, making it positively charged, and carries them away to the ground. The top roller then pulls more electrons of the can's wire brush, leaving the can increasingly positive. The result? A growing positive charge building up on the dome with every single rotation. And that's it. Now you know how to create a Graaff Generator. Thanks for watching.